Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Carolyn Rayner. Welcome to EDLT 590. I am your instructor in your course. In this course, you'll see I take a variety of roles. For example, I'm your community leader, your guide, or facilitator. I'm sometimes your role model or master learner in the course. Sometimes I'm the coordinator, and often I am your cheerleader. If you want to know more about the concept of instructor roles, please post a question to the Questions About the Course discussion forum found in the first Course Materials module, and I'll share some resources with further commentary. But now let's get started with some course navigation and our Getting Started information. So here we are on our course homepage, where you see the course description, the Getting Started directions, and my contact information. You will see that my office hours are officially on Thursdays from 3 to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. However, I prefer to have flexible office hours as needed, so please email me with a date and time you'd like to meet, and we can meet in our class Zoom room. Some things to know about getting started. You have a support forum to help you through the course. There is a questions about the course forum where you can ask general questions that others may have as well. Instead of answering the same questions 20 times, post your general questions here so others can learn as well. While we're on the topic, let me show you where the forum is located. The forum is in modules page in the first course materials under helpful discussions. Okay, moving forward. On the left side of your course, you'll find the course navigation menu. I don't need to tell you guys about this. You guys are expert online educators by this point. But humor me and let's go through it again. Up here, you'll see the announcements section. I'm going to use the announcements section to provide relevant, timely announcements. In lieu of weekly Zoom meetings, I'll provide a new announcement to preview each module we enter. Also, anytime a change occurs, I'll let you know so you can keep up to date. So I recommend you keep an eye on the announcements tool. I also want to note that in this Capstone course, you're taking a learner perspective, and it's important for you to take a step back and also take a metacognitive perspective and put your teacher hat on. As you have learned throughout the EDLT program, the help form and the announcements tool are good strategies, some best practices, and some of the things you will see in the Quality Matters rubric. For example, as you all know, the Getting Started materials is a very important part in the Quality Matters rubric. We just want to reinforce that these course elements are important for you and want you to use these course design elements in your course. Next, you will notice the syllabus tool. If you right-click or control-click, you can open up the page in a new tab. In the syllabus, you will find you have the link to the course meeting room. Well, if it's not here, I will add it. I'm going to add the Zoom meeting room to our syllabus, and also you will have a detailed course schedule at the bottom, and also a list of all these are in the course schedule are the graded activities, the assignments, and the dates that they are due by, and the weeks of the module. So you have the week, the due date, and you also have the weighting with a brief assignment description. One of the first things you will notice on the schedule is that we have a course orientation meeting, and that's up here in 1.1. And I hope to see you at this event. It's going to be on Tuesday, March 15th. And if you can't make it, you can watch the recording later. Now let's take a look at the modules page. As you have all learned, the modules is a very important page in the course. It supports module-based course design. This is where all of the course content, the assignments, and the activities are located. You'll want to notice that the first module is a modified Getting Started module. You guys have already gone through the entire program, so you don't need a full Getting Started module here for our capstone. But we will have a week of introductions, getting your online course that you've worked on over the course of your EDLT program, getting that completed, doing some initial things, talking about what's going to come up, and then you've got I put the extra credit for the course in module 1, but you can come back to this 1.6 anytime in the course. Whenever you find an error in the course, you can let me know and I can fix it and you'll earn a point. So that helps me keep the course error free, which is important to me. I don't like errors in my courses. Let's see. There's plenty of, up here in the course materials, there's plenty of resources to get you started, and information, resources, guidance, so you can get started right away. Or if you need more explanation, then you can wait for after the course orientation, where I'll go into depth into the modules. Module 1 and Module 5 are 1-week modules. However, Modules 2, 3, and 4 are each 2 weeks in length, and to give you ample time to complete your online course designs, review your course designs, and have me the instructor review your course designs. This course incorporates a lot of both group work and independent work. You'll be forming your teams in Module 2. And we'll be working with your teams throughout the session, reviewing your online courses. Let's talk about discussions and assignments for a moment. All of your module discussions and assignments are available in the module area, so you can come here and complete your coursework. The course activities are numbered. This is more of an organizational thing for me in designing the course. So if you have any questions on any module activity, please refer to the module number of the activity in question. I do want to take note that I do not take an active part in the discussion forums. The discussion forums are for the learners in the course. You're supposed to interact with each other, employ critical thinking, and give critical feedback. And by critical, I mean critique. That is, critique often begins with positive feedback and then moves into questions or recommendations. So when I say critical or feedback, actually I mean critique. So because I don't participate in the discussions, I grade the discussions. I do provide you a place where if there is something you want to find out from me specifically, then you can do that in the questions about the course forum. Or you can send me a private email, or you can respond to one of the weekly module overview previews. Now, you guys know this as well, but as a refresher, if you click on the account at the top of the menu, you can make a profile for yourself, and you can also edit your notifications. And as you also know, there is an inbox feature in Canvas where you can message me and the students in the class over here. So that's a great place to go send an email. You can always get in touch with me in the inbox. In fact, please only email me through the Canvas inbox. This keeps all of our communications within the LMS. So let's go back to the home page for a minute. I just want to remind you there are some great tips to get started now, one of which is watching this course orientation video, which I will post here under the steps to get started. And if you need me, all of my contact information is here. I really look forward to a fantastic learning journey together. See you in the course.